Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Moneyphone. My name's Ryan and today I'll be showing you how to change the ringtone on your iPhone 13 Pro. First, go to your Settings app, go down to Sound and Haptics, and here you can change the ringtone. You can also change the sound effects of things like texts, voicemails, and mail. Here, if you click on ringtone, you can set your ringtone here. You can also set individualized ringtones for specific contacts by going to Contacts, picking the contact that you want to change, hitting Edit in the top right, and then here you can change the ringtone for that specific person. And that is how to change the ringtone on the iPhone 13 Pro.